Hi everyone, today I'm going to solve a word assignment. Its name is Exp22, word chapter 3 ML1, football. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully so you will understand what you need to do in this assignment. And that's basically a third chapter of the word part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Excel part, PowerPoint part, or Assess part, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, Pearson course, math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, nursing course, psychology course, statistics course, information technology course, or quickbook course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. Now I am going to start from the first step. So by following these steps you can complete your work. In our first step, what is he asking? Start Word, download and open the file name exp22 Word chapter 3 ML1 football. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Our first step basically involved the downloading of the Word file from the Pearson dashboard and opening of that one file. I have downloaded that one file and opened that one file. That's our file. And what next he is asking to do? In our second step, select the tab text in the document from the in the top left corner to 13.4. So we will select from the top left corner up to 13.4. That's our thing we need to select. What next he is asking to do? Including the paragraph mark at the same line and convert the text to table, accepting all default setting. Change the page orientation to landscape. So we will select that one. That's now selected. We will go to the insert tab and we will select the table and we will select convert text to the table, and we will accept all default things. We will press OK. So you see we have inserted a table using the same things. What next he is asking to do? Change the page orientation to landscape. So we will go to the page layout and change the orientation to landscape. We will go to the layout and we will change the orientation to landscape. That's our step number 1. That's our step number 1. In our third step, what is he asking? Change the font size of the second and third line to Cambria 16 point. So we will select that one. Second and third one. That's our second and third. We will go to the home tab. We will select the Cambria, and we will change the font size to 16. The things which he is asking. That's our step number 3. Delete the column 1 in the table. Change the font size of the all data table to Cambria and 10 points. So we will select the first column and delete that one. That's our first column. We will go to the page layout and we will select the delete column. We will select the delete column. That's now column deleted. We will select all that one and change the font size to Cambria and 10. We will select Cambria and we will change the font size to 10. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? Auto-fit the content of the table. Ensure that though no team name in column 1 are bold or underlined. However, entries in the row 1 should remain bold and underlined. So we will select that one. He is asking to what he is asking? Auto-fit the content. So we will select that one and we will go to the table design and we will go to the this one. You will select auto fit content. That's now auto fit. We will select that one, auto fit content. That's now auto fit, and he is asking that no one column should be underlined. So we will select that one and we will select in the home tab, we will select the unbold that one unbold, and we will select the underline also. We will select none. That's now underline is removed from the first column. However, the first row we have underline and bold row. That's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Insert a row above the table and type offensive statics. So we will click Control plus C. We will select the table, and we will select the table and go to the table layout, and we will select insert row above. We will click on the first one, and we will select insert row above. That's now inserted row. What we will do next, in the first cell of the new row, so we will select the first cell of the new row. That's our first cell of the new row. We will select that one, offensive statics. Only select the text. And what next he is asking to do? Type rushing statics in the next cell. So we will copy that one and type in the next cell. That's our next cell. We will paste that one, rushing status. What next he is asking to do? Merge the second through the sixth cell on the first row. So we will select the second one, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. We will merge that one. That's now merged. What next he is asking to do? Apply the center alignment to rushing statics. So we will apply the center alignment. We will go to the home tab and we will select center alignment. That's now center alignment. That's our step. What next is asking to do in our sixth step? Type passing statics in the next cell on the first row. So we will copy that one and paste it in the next cell. That's our next cell. We will paste that one here, only the text. What next is asking to do? Select the cell containing the passing state and next three cells on the first row. Mark the cell and apply center alignment to passing status. So we will select the next three cell. These are our one. Next three cell we will just merge and center that one. Right click on our mouse and select merge cell, and we will then select the center alignment. What next he is asking to do? Merging the remaining cells on the row 1 and type total on the in the merge cell and apply center alignment to the total. So we will select that one. That's our last three cells. We will select that one and merge that one and type it here as a total and apply center alignment to that one text. We will apply center alignment to that one text. That's our step number 6. In our step number 7, what is he asking? Insert a row between the Harkisalian and Dakota state and type the following data in the new row. So we will find that one row. That's our Harkisalian and Dakota, and we will press plus sign in that one. That's no a new row is inserted between that one these two cells. We will copy the things one by one and paste it here. First one college, then 38.2, we will press tab button, then type 38.2, then press tab button, then he is asking to put 41, then press tab 41.0, then 220.5, 40.0, 220.5. What else he is asking? 4.2, 19.7, We will select 4.2, 19.7. That's our 4.2. Then press tab. Then type 19.7. Then press tab. What is the next digit? 32.7. We'll type 32.7. Then press tab. What next he is asking? 0.601. We'll type 0.601. Then press tab button. What next he is asking? 199.2 and 7.6. So we will type this one and then type 7.6 in the next column. 7.6 in the next column. What we will type? 57.9. 57.9. And in the next one we will type what? 449.3. Last two are what? Last two? 5.9 and 12.7. So we will type 5.9, press tab and type 12.7. That's our newly row created. We have inserted a new row and type our digit here. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? Select the style of the table, grid table style dark 5, row 5, column 3. So we will select the table, grid table style dark 5, SN2, row 5, column 3, grid table. We'll select that one. We will go to the table design, row 3, grid table 3, SN grid table 3, row 6, column, row 5, column 3. So we will select row 6, column 3. That's the table style we will apply. Grid table style 6, colorful SN2. That's the one we will apply to our table. No, row 5, column 3. So we will find row 5, column 3. That's our row 5, column 3. That's our required table style. That's our step number. Select all the table text and apply a pen color of orange SN2 darker 50 with the line weight of half pt and line style of single line to outside border. So we will select that one. We will apply the border. We will go to the home tab. We will select that one. We will go to the borders and we will select the pen style. We will select the pen and make that one double. You will select the border style. Which border style is asking? Apply a pen color of orange SN2 darker 50 with the line weight of half and line set in single line. So we will select border style as a single line. And which one is asking? Pen color. Which pen color is asking? Orange SN2 darker 50, row 6, column 6. We will select row 6, column 6. That's the one we will apply to the border of our table one by one. like that. We will apply it to this side also. That's now applied. We will apply it to downside also. That's one applied, and we will apply to upside also. In this way we have applied our pen color to our border. That's our step number 8. In our step number 9, what is he asking? Ensure that the pen color is orange SN2 darker 50 and line weight is half pt. Click or place line style and select first double line shown. Apply the selection to the border along the horizontal line separating row 1 and row 2, and also along the vertical line separating the first column from the second column. Don't expand the vertical line to row 1, so we will select that one. He is asking to ensure that the pen color is orange SN2, so we will select orange SN2, orange SN2 darker 50. That's our color. We will select that one. The double line, that's our double line. We will apply this one border to first one, first and second row. That's now applied, and the first column and second column. That's our step number 9. In our step number 10, what is he asking? Move the to the end of the document and press enter twice. So we will go to the end of the document. That's our end of the document. We will press enter twice, 1 2, and what next he is asking to do? Insert a 3 by 5 table. Enter the following data. So we will insert the 3 by 5 table. We will go to the insert tab. We will select table. We will select 3 by 5 table. That's our 3 by 5 table. That's now inserted. What next he is asking to do? Insert the following data. So we will copy one by one and paste it in the first column, then second column, and then third column. That's our first one. For the second one, we will select that one. That's our second one. We will select the third one. That's our third one. We will select the fourth one. Copy that one and select the fourth one. That's our fourth one. Then we will select the fifth one. That's our fifth one. We will go to the second column now. We will select one by one and paste it to the second column. That's our first row of the second column. We will select the second row. Third row. We will select the fourth row. We will then select the fifth row. That's our fifth row. Then we will paste the last column first cell, then second row, Then select the third row. Then select fifth row. Then we will select the sixth one, last one. That's our last row, last cell of the third column. That's our step number 10. We have total 21 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't have time to do that one assignments, or if you want to get an A grades in your course, or if you want me to do your complete Cengage course, Simnet course, Pearson course, math course, stats course, finance course, accounting course, nursing course, psychology course, you can contact with me. You can contact with me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact with me through my email address. My email address is given at the bottom of screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of the video, in the thumbnail of the channel, or you can directly click on the WhatsApp link which is given in the description of this video. I will show you the solution of that one file. When you complete that one file, this file will look like that. You see, we have completed the first table, then our second table is remaining. When you will complete, all your table will look like that. So, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.